Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about this farmhouse styled cabinet that is great for a coffee bar or even a regular bar that I picked up from a company called Yida Home. Now I was looking for a cabinet for my downstairs space that would actually act as a bar and of course look pretty good in the space. So I came across this one on Amazon, liked the specs, decided to pick it up, and if you want to know more about it, stay tuned. So my order arrived. I went outside to take a look and it was relatively heavy, but I managed to get it inside by myself. So I do suggest to have a couple people on hand to make your life a lot easier when this cabinet does arrive. Now the second thing that I noticed is that it was extremely well packed. There was a ton of protective foam, and as far as all the items in the package, there wasn't even a scratch, which is a rarity. I bought a lot of furniture that you have to put together over the years, and there's usually at least one little ding or scratch or some type of imperfection. And in this case, there was zero. Now, the one thing that I do have to say is there are a lot of pieces to put together with this cabinet. I'm relatively familiar with this type of stuff, have some experience over the years, and it took me about 5 hours to put together. And that was 5 hours of everything running smoothly. But I don't want that to detract you from purchasing this cabinet, because it really is well worth it once it's all put together. The second thing that I have to say is that it does come with a manual, and inside of the manual there is a step-by-step. And to be honest with you, I found it pretty clear. If you really do look at the schematics, look at the pictures, match up the exact holes that they're telling you to utilize, you won't have any problem at all. The other thing is that all of these pieces are numbered, so it makes it that much easier. So what I did is once I opened up the box, I laid out the pieces all over my living room, so with the numbers facing up, so I knew exactly where everything was, just to try to expedite things as much as I could throughout this building process. As I was laying everything out, I looked at the components. Everything was very good to go, solid, heavy, well put together, something that's going to be durable and I'm going to be able to enjoy for years to come. So the tools that are required is this does come with one Allen key, and you would need a Phillips head screwdriver. I highly recommend using an electric driver just to make the process go that much faster. If I didn't use the electric driver, I would have definitely tacked on a couple of hours to this building process and gotten much more tired sitting there with these screws, because there are a lot of them. So with the driver, I utilized the Allen key bit as well as the Phillips head bit, and that made the process that much smoother. So highly recommended. As you can tell, this cabinet has 3 drawers for storage, and it has the barn glass sliding doors. There is a multifunctional charging station that has 2 outlets as well as 2 USB ports and a power switch. There is a wine rack. The shelves are adjustable, 3 different positions, giving you a lot of flexibility in terms of how you're going to utilize this cabinet. With the look and style of this cabinet, it would look good pretty much anywhere as far as my home is concerned. So in the future, if I want to move it around, change it to a different room in the house, I have that choice. So bottom line, if you are looking for a bar cabinet that is well built, looks good, versatile, has that farmhouse look so it really isn't going to go out of style, has the electric charging station, the barnyard doors, definitely take a look at this cabinet bar by Yida Home.